Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to put my X account on private. Okay, so first of all, open X on your device. Then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now in this menu, you have to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You need to go to section privacy and safety. From here, go to audience and tagging over here. And finally, at the top of the screen, you should see this feature that is called protect your posts. It is responsible for making your account private. So let's enable it. And from the moment that you make your account private, only your current followers are able to see your posts on your profile. And also any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually approve or decline. So you have to tap your profile picture in the top left and here select follower requests. Here you can manage your followers on X. From the moment that you make your account private, you can either accept your follower or decline it. So that's how you can private your account on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.